Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in PowerTorque Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in PowerTorque Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo or this link. Click on it. This is the home page of PowerTorque Finance. Now scroll down a little bit and here you can see sign in option. Click on sign in. Now it will lead you to another tab. Now scroll down a little bit and here you have to type in your vehicle registration number and your surname. So type in your vehicle registration number. Now type in your surname. Now you have to click on this box to ensure that you are not a robot. Now click on go to my portal and this is it. Following this simple step, you are now able to log in PowerTorque Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.